In today's video, I will walk you through how to adjust your Stripe settings to prevent failed payments on subscriptions. First, access your Stripe dashboard. Once you are on the dashboard homepage, go to the Settings section. You can find the Settings option in the left-hand menu near the bottom of the page. Click on Settings to open the available settings categories. Under Product Settings, select Billing. This will open the Billing Settings page. In the Billing Settings, find the section labeled Subscriptions and Emails. Scroll down until you find the Prevent Failed Payments section. In this section, enable the option for customer emails. After enabling the option, click Save to apply the changes. Next, scroll down to the Manage Failed Payments section for subscriptions. Find the options related to card payments and enable customer emails for these settings as well. You can also enable email notifications for bank debit payments. Continue through the settings and adjust the subscription status and invoice status options based on your required settings. After making all the changes, scroll down and click Save one more time to confirm the updates. Your Stripe subscription settings are now adjusted to help manage failed payments. Thank you for watching.